All right, you guys, so that's where I ended up putting my refrigerator. So this is a ALPICOOL, looks like a C20 ALPICOOL. And you saw the video, if you didn't, go check it out, video 2, where I show you how I installed my diesel heater. Well, this is the cabinet that I built around it. This is a this will be a replaceable, or like a sheet of plywood that goes in here, sanded and clean, but it'll be removable. And it's just, I just have to cut it and install it, but it's removable. So if I have to service or work on the diesel heater, I can. But when it's all done, there'll be a sheet of plywood over this. I'll probably get some footage of that so you can see that here shortly. And then as you can see, there's the diesel heater, and right there is my ALPICOOL fridge. Now this fridge, let's see here, you can see how I installed this is I put it next to the 2 boxes I was talking about making, and these, currently I have a battery in here so I can use this. And it's, these just lift up. I don't know if I'll put a hinge on them or what. I might just leave them like this, but as you can see, good sized compartments for storage. And currently I have a battery in here. This won't stay. This will change, but currently I'm using it just so I can power the diesel heater while I'm working in here to keep it warm. And that's pretty much about it. So as you can see, I made these cabinets, or boxes, and that furring strip all the way around is what keeps it completely secure. As you can see, it doesn't move at all. Nice and solid. The refrigerator, this turned out really nice. Couple of things. You can easily get in here and open it up. Tons of room inside there. Be surprised how much you can fit in there, because you don't need ice. So you don't need a whole lot of room because you're eliminating the ice factor. And this thing works great. And the way that I put it in here is, you can see it's sunken in just a little bit. And the power cord, I just cut that out. But this thing is sunk in a way that I can remove it by lifting it out. You can see how I put this in underneath. And this will allow me to get in here and fill up the diesel heater or service it if I have to. So again, that's what it looks like. And then it simply just comes down in here and just settles right in like that. And this thing is solid as a rock. It doesn't move at all. So anyway, I'm really happy with it.